मीटिंग घेतली तुम्ही आता विषय किती असला?
I came to meet CM basically to ask him the pre-monsoon work which is to be taken up. There are many people whose houses are all are kept open. You understand? And some minor works are basically left for them to complete. So I just basically came to ask CM when this will, whether any relaxation will be given to this. So now CM has told me that he is waiting for the guidelines from the center tomorrow. The guidelines will come, and maybe some activities may start after the 20th. But he's just waiting for the guidelines.
But CM positive as a relaxation
No, CM is positive only. See, this is the fact, no? Really, people are in problem. The pre-monsoon work basically is going on. Some people have removed, opened their roof and all. Some minor works are to be taken place. So labor, no one can come. See, police is doing its job because no laborers have been sent out. But police is doing its job. We cannot blame the police also. So now CM said just wait for tomorrow to let the guidelines come. Once the guideline comes, then we will take a call. So others also is having a cabinet meeting I think tomorrow. So at least something will come out of it.
ते बारीक बिझनेसेस आहा न्हू, पायलट म्हणा, मोटरसायकल पायलट, टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर, बारीक शॉप, रिचार्ज शॉप्स, मेकॅनिक, सगळे प्रॉब्लेम
So
आसा.
that will be all coming up in these guidelines. Today also I was hearing what the speech of the Honorable Prime Minister. The Prime Minister also has given a clear indication saying that guidelines, the central will send some guidelines tomorrow at least. Till the 20th, nothing will take place. So anything, it will be post 20th.
Overall, as far as Panjim constituency is concerned, you are an MLA. How it has been for you? Because in the past few days,